Model, 64-plate Ford Transit Custom 270L1 diesel front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 100ps low-roof van. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 188,300. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 100ps TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: we have this van started and drives completely fine. ECU is intermittent, will need replacing to get this VAS fully functioning. Easy fix for someone who knows what they are doing. Money mouth face. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternative